Hi everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you love solar powered decorating, you need to get this mobile with the red cardinals. This is the most stunning and unusual piece I have in my patio area. These little birds are always in flight. Now they don't bang against each other, but they just dangle and sway in the breeze at night, glowing away. During the day, they're beautiful too. You can really see the detail here on them. I love them. They are so sweet. This whole thing is lightweight. I'm able to hang it easily in my patio area. It has stood up well to the wind or to the rain. And because it's solar powered, I never have to worry about it. It just sits out here dazzling and then absorbing the sun so that I know at nightfall it's going to just glow and glow. It really is the sweetest gift if you have someone who loves birds as much as I do, or who just loves solar powered decorating. You have to get this for them or for yourself. I'm so pleased with how it looks, how easy it is to hang, and just the overall quality of the product is definitely outstanding. Wherever you decide to hang this mobile, you won't be disappointed. It adds a beautiful splash of color and whimsy, and it looks gorgeous day or night. And that is my point of view.